It's really windy today. As you can, well, you can't really tell now, but it was like crazy wind out here, I'm telling you. Like, this tree was blowing like crazy, and this branches kept falling on me, and yeah, it's 'cause like it's supposed to storm, so yeah. All the winds is like blowing all the trees and everything. And yeah, not really much more to it. But it finally calmed down. But it's still windy. And I just felt like one raindrop, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10. You know, just a couple raindrops. And so, yeah. The weather is not very good right now, but it's nice outside. And by nice, I mean the temperature, so yeah. My brother is up there. Carson, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Come and look at the camera and say hello. Hi. He has a bad attitude. Yep. I hope the warmness gets, no, I messed that up. I hope the weather gets better. Yeah, yeah.